Magkano nga ba ang medical cost sa Pilipinas kung magkakaroon tayo ng critical illness? Mag-ipon na lang kaya ako? Talaga ba? Pag-iipunan mo yon? Or kaya, magkaroon na lang tayo ng comprehensive health and life insurance plan na kung sakaling magkaroon tayo ng critical illness, hindi natin kailangang bawasan yung ipon natin. Hi, I'm Rai. I'm an IT by profession. I'm a manager for 6 years in Sun Life, and I'm a financial advisor for 10 years. Ngayon, magkano nga ba ang medical cost sa Pilipinas pag nagkaroon tayo ng critical illness? So, yun, no? Kaya naman, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung product namin na Sun Fit and Well. Super makakatulong to sa panahon ngayon dahil pag nagkaroon ka ng critical illness, hindi mo na kailangang bawasan yung savings mo. Ano nga ba yung mga benefits ng Sun Fit and Well? Number 1, cash benefit for 114 minor and major critical illnesses. O friend, kasama yung minor illnesses and early stage diagnosis. Covered ka up to 3 minor illnesses and 1 major illness. Number 2, may life insurance coverage dito. So meaning, may death benefit ka. Kung sakali kahit anong mangyari, may peace of mind ka and may maiiwanan kang tulong para sa family mo. Number 3, flexible payment terms. Pwede kang mamili 10, 15 years to pay, depende yan sa budget mo. Number 4, may additional tayong 50% benefit for 16 types of specific cancers. Halimbawa, insured ka ng 3 million. Kung isa sa 16 specific types of cancer yung diagnosis mo, meron kang additional na 1.5 million. So that's total of 4.5 million coverage. Number 5, may hospitalization benefit ka din. Na kung mako-confine tayo dahil sa mga critical illnesses, may hospitalization benefit din. Number 6, after mo magbayad ng plan, makaka-receive ka ng special paid up bonuses and dividends, mag-a-accumulate to kung hindi mo na natin siya kinukuha. So, nag-grow pa rin yung fund mo. And while paying, may guaranteed cash benefit din. So, hindi lang siya protection. So, anong meron dito sa product na to? It's actually 3-in-1 benefit. Kasi, may life insurance and critical illness benefit ka na. Number 2, may savings ka pa. And number 3, may cash. So, if you want to know more about this product, message my social media accounts or talk to your Sun Life financial advisor today.